So if you're locked out with your password, and that is part of data recovery, sometimes people just can't get into the systems because they forgot the password. I always try and get them to do it lowercase, uppercase, and with a capital at the start. Sometimes people forget. But anyway, if you can't do it, it's easy to remove. This is a paid tool. I've tried all the free ones, they are rubbish. Lazy Soft is pretty good, but it don't beat this for simplicity. So you go to tools, reset password tool. Just click on there, and then it'll create you either a CD or a USB. So I'll do that now, and then we'll get into the system, remove the password, and you can access your files again. Well, you can access your old computer again. So you've got to boot from the USB. This is the AMI password removal boot USB. So I'm going to start it and press enter, because on Lenovo's, if you press enter, you can get into the boot menu. If you hear that beep, you're in, and I'm just going to pause it. But if you see it, it says F12 temporary startup. Yours might be different. You got to search the internet and find out. So for some reason it ain't working. Mine should already be set to USB anyway, so I'll just redo it. There you go, it's loading up. So it's loaded into it. It's found the Windows 10 Pro system. And it's got an administrator password and a user one password. So I'm just gonna remove account password for user one. Add a new password. Sorry, the touchpad ain't working properly in this. So ain't got the driver for it. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, success. So your password is now changed to allow you to get in. You can even remove the account password. I might do that actually. Okay, that's it. Easy to do. And this software, I mean, you can pay £40 just for a password removal software. So the fact that you get partition, cloning, recovery, disk wiping, all sorts of tests and tools, it's well worth buying, AMI is.